Hey everybody, a little bit of a differ from the norm today, but I backed a Kickstarter for this Dissim Lighter quite a while ago, but I think it was like about $45 for the pouch and the lighter. The pouch kind of got crushed in, when it was being shipped or whatever, but no big deal. So let's take a look. I got a can of butane because I did not order the butane that came with it. And here we go. Let's unbox it and see how it looks. Now, I basically don't smoke anymore, but I guess I'm gonna have to rip this open. I appreciate a good lighter. I used to just use Zippo lighters like almost exclusively, and then I started just using Bics. So personally, I think for like $2, it's really going to be hard to beat the old Bic lighter. I kind of bought this because I'm interested in the flippiness of it, I guess, but, well, let's just get into it and see what it's like. So, has a nice box. Really thick cardboard, actually. Feels pretty good. And here we go. Looks like there's something behind that. Lighter feels very nice. Very solid. Let's see. Can I spin it? Yeah, that's cool. If you were to be lighting a particular kind of thing with this, well, we'll get into it with the flame, but I don't see how it could be that much better than this. But yeah. So in here we have silica and the instructions. Whoopee. So, like I said, I don't remember when I backed this. It was a while ago. It was definitely before I moved to where I am now. So here's the hole to put in the butane. I believe I read about it last night. I got this last night, but I didn't open it. But I think you're supposed to hold for 5 seconds. So okay. And I guess we'll give it a shake or something. Let's see how it goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nothing. Nothing. Maybe I should have read the directions. Let's turn the flame up. Come on. Turn it all the way to minimum then. Are you kidding me? All right, I'll put in a little more. Oh, I'll even hold it a different way. You are kidding. All right, well, let's turn to the directions. Hold the lighter sideways so the fuel valve is pointing upwards. Okay. Release the fuel tank pressure by using a small screwdriver or similar tool, pressing down into the fuel inlet valve until all pressure is released. Okay, turn it all the way to minus. There we go. With the fuel valve still pointing upwards, insert the tip of the butane tank directly into there and push down for 5 seconds. So here we go again. Third time's the charm, right? Wait 4 minutes before igniting the lighter to allow excess butane to evaporate and the gas inside the lighter to reach room temperature. Really? Well, it's cold. So you know what? Yeah, I'll wait the 4 minutes. Wow. This video is already 5 minutes long. Well, you know what? While we're here, we'll take a look at the little pouch. So, this was a little add-on, I think. I can't remember this. I backed this so long ago. This is actually also the first kickstarted thing that I've ever backed. So, let's see. Oh, it's kind of nice that the zipper is like invisible. It's kind of interesting. Got this little cover over it, and the lighter should just. I don't really know what the point of this would be, but it's something. Kind of gets hung up on the that wheel, depending on which way you face it. So I guess we'll put it in this way. No, not too bad. Has a interesting texture. I almost don't like it. The texture of it, kind of rough. Yeah, I could take this or leave it. Well, I will leave it and not use it. The lighter, this is plastic. This feels like aluminum or something. Does it scratch easy? Let's see. Yes. So that has some kind of paint over it, I guess. And yeah, it's scratched already. There you go, right? I mean, do we have to wait a full 4 minutes? It's already been another minute. It's already been about 2 minutes. Let's see. Really? All right. Shake it. I mean, seriously, am I missing something? Simply press down the ignition switch to ignite the flame. Never hold the ignition switch with a continuous flame for more than 10 seconds. All right, well, let's turn it up. Oh, let's turn it up all the way. Turn it up and rip the knob off. Can I even hear the gas? Hold on. Yes, I can hear gas coming up. All right, well, we've got another 1 minute to wait. So, while I'm kind of just sitting here thinking, I mean, was this worth buying over this? I don't think so. I'm a little getting a little annoyed, actually. It just like, it didn't really, it's not really that it took that long to get here, it's that it just arrived and it's not seeming to work. Let's look at that little stuff on the back. So we got a patent pending circle grip, lifetime warranty, and refillable. There you go, patent pending. Ergonomic circle grip this time. Flame adjustment, angled flame port. There's nothing to adjust here. I guess it's probably for just getting air in there. Alright, so that's all the way minus low, and that's all the way. You know what? All right, let's see if this part scratches too. Yep. I wonder if that's clear under there. I don't know. Can't really tell. Might be. But anyways, all right, let's it should be at room temperature now. It's been about 4 minutes. This is bullshit. All right, I'm going to release the pressure. Wait. Can I see it in there? All right, I'm going to release the pressure one more time and try it again. And then I'm going to say that it came broken. Oh, yeah, there's the butane. Come on. God, that's cold. You know what? All right. One more time. Okay. Here, we'll even test to make sure it went in. Ready? Yep, it's in there. All right, I'll come back in 4 minutes, and if it doesn't work this time, well, hopefully that warranty's not too bad. Okay, it's been 4 minutes, so this is my last try. One. I'll even put my middle finger through it. 1, 2, 3. I can see a little spark in there too. I'm not sure what the... I saw it for a second. You know what? Here. Do you need a little help there, buddy? Whoa! Holy fuck. That's a huge flame. Okay, now it's whistling. I don't like that. I'll be right back. All right, so I took it outside and released the butane, turned down the fuel, and this is it. So let's see. Will it light? Nope. Oh, there's a little flame there. Oh, there it is. So, with assistance, the Dissim lighter will light with another lighter. Yeah, I'm pretty disappointed, honestly. I waited a long time for this lighter, and it doesn't even work. Whoa. Yeah, that's it for the fucking Dissim lighter. I don't know if that flame up got caught on camera, but yeah, we're Dissim. If you're watching this, I'm gonna send you an email, and I want it to be fixed under warranty. Thanks. Have a good day.